Hola mis amigos, so my Wildgrain box just showed up at my doorstep, and because the items are fresh and perishable, I thought I would go ahead and hop right on and do an unboxing for you and introduce you guys to them. And what it is a monthly subscription box, and they deliver fresh bread, pasta, and pastries directly to you. So they actually cut the work out for you by starting the cooking process on their end, and then they freeze it, and then they send it to you in a box like this. So then all you have to do is take it straight out of the freezer and place it into your oven for no more than 25 minutes. So you don't have to deal with any dough or anything like that. They take care of everything for you, and you don't even have to thaw it. You can just cook it straight out of the oven. All of their recipes, all of their products take no more than 25 minutes in the oven. So let's go ahead and get right into the box and see what we have. And there is dry ice in here, so you just want to be careful to avoid any freezer burn. You don't want to touch it directly for too long. Interesting. It's like a little mini chest inside. So let's see what we have. Let's make sure you're in frame here. So yes, there's a bag of ice here. All right, so right away, I am seeing some croissant. And what you should know is I am going to have a link in the description box below for you guys to subscribe. And these croissants are actually a part of the promotion for that link. So the first 50 people that use the link and subscribe for a box, you get $10 off of your first box, and you get free croissants in every single box from there on out. So these are the free ones that we received, so there we go with that. Wow, there's a lot more in here than I thought. Here we have, there we are, sourdough rolls. And as you can see, it says bake from frozen. And the baking instructions are on the back. So this one is 10 to 14 minutes. So again, that is sourdough rolls. Here we have sourdough bread. Nice loaf of bread, and this takes 18 to 22 minutes in the oven. Here we have a slow fermented 3-seed bread, and that is a full loaf. And this one takes 18 to 22 minutes. Here we have, here's our pasta. So we have some frozen pasta there. That we have fettuccine. And that's how it looks on this side. And this is 12 ounces of pasta. So that is a nice hefty amount there. More pasta. Let's get that into frame. Come on, focus. This is tonarelli. Come on. Let's just turn it over. And that is another 12 ounces of pasta, tonarelli. And last but not least, we have, some dessert. So this is a pastry. Don't know if you can see that, but cherry pie bites. Oh, I cannot wait to get into these. It's a little late in the evening right now, but you know, again, I had to film this pretty quickly since it was fresh and I need to put this in the freezer, but I'm probably going to film a little bit later checking these guys out. So that is a very carb loaded box. It has been quite a while now since the unboxing, and I did go ahead and give these a try. I didn't film the process, but I did have mind enough to take a picture for you guys. These were absolutely fantastic, and they were as easy to make as the instructions said. So all I had to do for these was to place them into a 425-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet, and they came out nice and crisp, and they didn't stick around for very long. Thank you so much to Wildgrain for sending us this very full box of pasta, bread, and pastries. And once again, my link will be in the description box below, and the first 50 of you that subscribe through that link will receive $10 off your first box, as well as free croissant in every single subsequent box. Until next time, enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.